Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best outdoor toys is probably one of the most exciting categories for parents looking to encourage active play and development in their little ones aged 2 to 4 years old. This age group is brimming with energy and curiosity, making outdoor toys an essential tool for fostering physical coordination, cognitive skills, and a love for nature. From vibrant climbing structures that build strength and balance to imaginative sand and water play sets that spark creativity and sensory exploration, the right outdoor toys can transform your backyard into a dynamic learning environment. Investing in quality outdoor toys means providing your toddler with countless hours of fun, learning, and healthy physical activity, all while creating cherished childhood memories. Number 5. Step 2 Rain Showers Splash Pond Water Table. Transform your backyard into a mini water park with this fun water table. It's perfect for hours of outdoor play. Use the large bucket to scoop water and pour it into the top tray. See the amazing rainfall effect as it splashes into the pond below. As the water drains, watch the spinners, ramps, and buckets come to life. It's a fantastic way to explore cause and effect. Rearrange the maze pieces to design new waterfalls. This encourages creative thinking and STEM learning through play. Kids can enjoy a spinning splash with the handheld wheel. They can also use the side flipper to send figures back into the pond for more excitement. Keeping it clean is a breeze. You can easily use disinfectant wipes or household cleaners whenever needed, ensuring more time for fun. What we like. This water table offers a unique rainfall effect that activates maze-like spinners and ramps. It encourages cause and effect STEM play and is easy to clean. If you are looking for an engaging and educational water play experience that promotes learning through play, this is a great choice. What people say. The toy is designed with smooth edges and no small parts, making it safe for toddlers. It features bright, engaging colors that capture a child's attention and encourage imaginative play. The durable construction ensures it can withstand outdoor use and rough play. Number 4. Fun Little Toys Pop-Up Play Tent Camping Set. Get ready for exciting outdoor adventures with this all-in-one camping set. It includes everything your little ones need to set up their own pretend campsite and explore the wilderness. This set comes with 17 essential camping items, including a pretend stove and lamp, binoculars, and a shovel. It's perfect for sparking imaginative play and encouraging exploration. Setting up camp is a breeze with the collapsible pop-up tent. It's incredibly easy to assemble and just as simple to take down, making it perfect for indoor or outdoor fun. This pop-up tent provides a cozy mini-play space for your child. It's ideal for imaginative games, quiet reading time, or even a quick nap. The pretend oil lamp lights up for nighttime adventures, and the gas stove glows with a realistic flame. The included survival whistle also features a flashlight, compass, and thermometer for added fun. This engaging camping set is recommended for children aged 3 and up. It's a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion to inspire outdoor play. What we like. This set comes with 17 camping necessities, including a pop-up tent and interactive pretend play gear like a stove and oil lamp. It's perfect for creating a mini-play space for imaginative adventures. If your child loves pretend play and exploring the outdoors, this is an excellent option for hours of fun. What people say. We were impressed with the working whistle, compass, and flashlight combo toy and may actually take it camping. The tent assembles itself easily and seems of good, durable quality. The colors are vibrant and fun. The tent folds up for easy storage. The accessories are the highlight to this set and are so fun. The set has everything: a pretend campfire that almost makes you smell s'mores, a flashlight that works better than mine, and enough gear to turn bedtime into a full-blown wilderness expedition. It's sturdy, adorable, and sparks major imagination. It has plenty to keep them busy and engaged. The tent is easy to open and, once you get the hang of it, easy to fold back. The cooking set is realist. The lantern is great. And the campfire is very well made as well. Number 3. Meland Kids Camping Set with Tent. Get ready for an exciting camping adventure. This updated play set is packed with everything your little explorer needs for imaginative fun. This pop-up tent sets up in seconds, creating a cozy secret base for 1 to 2 toddlers. It's perfect for indoor play or backyard camping. Our realistic campfire and lantern light up with batteries, bringing the camping experience to life. They can even explore with the adjustable binoculars. This pretend camping kit encourages independence and a love for the outdoors. It's also a fantastic way for parents and children to bond through play. Everything you need for pretend play or a real camping trip is included. Plus, it all packs away neatly in the drawstring backpack. Looking for a gift for a young adventurer? This all-in-one pretend play set is ideal for birthdays or holidays for kids aged 3 to 8. What we like. This comprehensive camping set includes 30 accessories, a pop-up tent, and a realistic battery-powered campfire and oil lantern. It's designed to foster independence and deepen bonds through shared outdoor adventures. If you want a complete pretend play camping experience that encourages exploration and parent-child interaction, this set is ideal. What people say. The tent that came with it was huge. It was all really easy to put together, the tent literally just pops open. He's a big boy and he still has a lot of space in the tent. And it's all really good quality, I think, doesn't seem like any of it will break easy. This is a fantastic gift for kids who love to play outside and kids of camping families. You get a big bang for your buck because there's so many items included and encourages curiosity and developmental play. The tent was surprisingly large and fit both grandkids easily in a sitting position. The camping lantern and campfire each need 2 AA batteries and worked very well, and all the extra pieces to the set were added fun. Number 2. Best Choice Products 3-in-1 Sand and Water Table. Discover the versatility of this outdoor table. It easily transforms from a picnic table to a sand or water play station, offering endless entertainment. Make sunny days even better with this fantastic addition to your outdoor space. It's ideal for combining lunch, play, and learning. Keep your little one comfortable with the adjustable umbrella. Easily move it up or down to provide shade as needed throughout the day. Crafted from high-quality, natural hemlock wood, this table is built to last. It's designed with safety in mind, ensuring years of fun. This sturdy table comfortably seats up to 4 children. It's perfect for playdates or family gatherings in the backyard. Rest assured, this table is designed with treated, BPA-free wood, meeting federal safety standards. It's safe for your children to enjoy for years to come. What we like. This convertible picnic table offers a versatile 3-in-1 design, functioning as a picnic table, sand table, or water table with its removable top and activity bins. It features an adjustable umbrella for shade and is crafted from high-quality, safe wood. If you're looking for a durable and multifunctional outdoor furniture piece that can adapt to various play and dining needs, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The table is sturdy enough for children, stable, and has lovely features: storage, umbrella, play bins. The 2 removable trays are great for sand and water play, and cleanup is a breeze. When the top is on, it functions as a regular picnic table, perfect for snacks or crafts. This picnic table is perfect. It was very easy to put together and is very sturdy. This table is so cute, and when the little umbrella is up, it adds perfect shade to keep the kiddos out of the sun. Added bonus is the built-in sandbox. Number 1. Montessori Kitchen Toys for Toddlers, Real Cooking Sets. Introducing a fun and safe way for your toddler to explore the joy of cooking. This set is designed to spark creativity and encourage hands-on learning in the kitchen. Crafted from healthy, BPA-free materials like wood, stainless steel, and food-grade polypropylene, these tools are built for safe and durable play. They are designed to be gentle yet effective for little hands. This comprehensive set includes everything your child needs to get started, from wooden and stainless steel knives to cutting boards and peelers. With various cutters, they can prepare a wide range of ingredients. Each piece is thoughtfully designed with a comfortable grip and child-safe features, like rounded edges and lightweight construction. The cute crocodile patterns add an extra touch of fun and appeal. Encourage your child's independence and creativity as they learn to imitate adult activities. This set helps develop fine motor skills and fosters a love for helping out in the kitchen. Create precious memories by cooking together. These tools provide the perfect opportunity for parents and children to bond, learn, and enjoy quality time side by side. What we like. This Montessori-inspired kitchen toy set includes a variety of safe cutting tools and accessories for pretend cooking. It's designed to stimulate children's interest in cooking and encourage creativity. If you want to foster your child's imagination, improve their hands-on ability, and promote parent-child bonding through kitchen play, this set is perfect. What people say. The toddler toy is designed for outdoor play and is suitable for children aged 2 to 4. This toy encourages active play and helps develop gross motor skills in young children. The durable construction ensures it can withstand outdoor elements and rough play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.